y'all, welcome to Everyday Angie. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you all how to make an aesthetically pleasing iOS 14 homepage. I know you all have seen like the different customized homepages on like Instagram and Twitter. Well, I'm going to show you how to make that today. So first, picking your theme, right? So you pick any pictures that you want from Google, and I'm going to show you the ones that I personally have in my gallery. So these are the pictures that I put together for my homepage and what I wanted it to look like. You can pick any type of thing you want. I like the tans, I like the glitter, so that's why I chose this. I like neutral colors, so this is why I chose these pictures right here. So for my home screen background page or my wallpaper, I'm going to pick the satin. Oh, I'm going to pick the satin and I'm just going to press use wallpaper. Set both, right? And so now I'm going to show you all how to make a shortcut. So a personalized shortcut, you would have to go to the shortcut app, right? You would press the plus button, add action, open app would be the action. And for this particular shortcut, you can pick any type of app that you want to open. I'm going to pick FaceTime, plus button, add to home screen. And so from here, you can pick any picture that you want to. I'm going to pick the clouds. There's clouds, right? And then we're going to name the shortcut FaceTime because that's what it is, or you can name whatever you want to name it, and you press add. So now that is on my home screen, right? And if y'all didn't know, there's a way to like remove all the regular apps from your home page. If you just hold it, remove app, move to app library. That's what this is right here. And there's also a way for you to hide the different app pages. So I still have whole pages of apps right here, as you can see. This one, and that one. If I were to click those would come back. So you can see those are back, and I can simply remove them just by unclicking, right? And this is my actual homepage that I've made already. Normally I would put these two down here, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll remove them for that moment. So now that I showed you how to make your own shortcut, this is what my shortcuts look like. And now I'm going to show you how to make your widget. So first you would have to go to the App Store, type in color widget and download that. Can't spell. Open. So this is my active widget right now, right? So I'm going to show you how to just customize your own. So you just click the widget, edit widget, you can go down, add the photo. So whatever photo that you want to use for this, you can. So this is going to be the widget, and I'm going to change the font and the color. Set widget. Now to add a widget onto your screen, you have to hold the screen, press the plus button, search the widget. So this would be color widget, right? And then you would add whichever size that you wanted, and I'm going to add a medium one. Add a widget to the home screen. So now I have care for your body, eat, hydrate, and sleep. I don't know what the other word is, it's being covered, but that would be the other, that would be one way to make a widget on your home screen. And so I'm going to show you how to do another one using Widgetsmith. So you would go back to the App Store, type in Widgetsmith, open. I'm going to show you how to make a small widget. This is a medium one. Well, I can show you how to do both. I'm going to show you how to do both. So, small widget, click that, go all the way down, click a photo, choose photo, and for this one, I'm going to choose the satin, right? So go down, press save, and then a medium widget, do the same thing, go all the way down, click photo, choose photo, that one, save. Now there are two widgets I'm going to add to this screen right here. So once again, hold the screen, press the plus button, type in Widgetsmith. I have a small widget that I can use, so add this widget, and that's the widget that I just made. Type in Widgetsmith again, and that's the other widget that I just made. That's a simple tutorial of how to make widgets using your own pictures, creating your own theme for your homepage. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.